Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatfuel for small business in 2026. If you want to automate customer support, generate leads, and improve engagement without hiring extra staff, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Chatfuel account. Next, select or create a chatbot for your small business from the dashboard. Now choose the platform you want to connect, such as Facebook Messenger or Instagram. Next, set up a clear welcome message that introduces your business, products, or services. Now create automated replies for common questions like pricing, location, business hours, or services offered. Next, add a lead collection flow to capture customer details like name, email, or phone number. Now include buttons and quick replies so customers can easily navigate your services. Next, connect your chatbot to your Facebook page or Instagram account so it can respond automatically. Now test your chatbot to make sure everything works smoothly and responses are accurate. Finally, publish your chatbot and monitor performance regularly to improve customer experience over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Chatfuel for small business. Your chatbot can now help you save time, attract customers, and grow your business. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.